What's up guys, this is Rad Dan. And this is my 95 Toyota Supra, Rad Industries, Next End Tire and Gear Wrench. We work with Next End Tire for our tires, the Influencer 4. Rays, Gramlite, 57 CR wheels on here. Reinhardt suspension on here, the 3-way, super comfortable. Borg Warner EFR, I run a 9274 turbo. Brian Crower 3.4 stroker, crank paired with Carrillo rods and custom CP pistons. The head is Ferrea valve train with GSC cams. Beachworks injectors, Pro EFI ECU. Full inside of the car is Sparco. Seats, harnesses, steering wheel, ACT clutch, Wisefab steering lock kit, Treadstone intercooler. If you guys want to find out more about the Supra, head over to Formula Drift Garage on wheelwell.com.